Life's too short to vacuum every day. Introducing Roomba 671, the robot vacuum trusted by thousands around the world. Wi-Fi connected. Control your Roomba from anywhere with the iRobot Home app. Smart navigation Roomba adapts to your home and cleans in neat rows. Voice control, compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. Just say, "Start cleaning." With Dirt Detect sensors, it focuses more on dirtier areas for, that deep cleaning where you really need it. There are over 10,000 happy users in the United States alone. It's rated 4.5 stars globally, with thousands of 5-star reviews. It was even a bestseller during Prime Day in France. Here are a couple of quick review quotes. "It changed my life. Now I come home to clean floors, and easy to use, super smart and reliable." Wherever you are, Roomba 671 is ready to roll. You can get it now on Amazon in the United States, the United Kingdom, France, Germany, Italy, Spain, and India. Make your life easier today. Roomba 671 is just one click away. Just find your country link in the description below. Happy cleaning!